Moringa can help you lose weight in various ways. 1. Nutrient-rich Moringa leaves contain a high concentration of vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, which can support a healthy metabolism. It provides essential nutrients without adding excessive calories, making it suitable for a weight loss diet. 2. Low in calories Moringa leaves are low in calories, but still provide a feeling of satiety due to their fiber content. By consuming Moringa, you can keep yourself full for longer periods, reducing cravings for unhealthy snacks and promoting weight loss. 3. Boosts metabolism Moringa may help boost your metabolism, which is the rate at which your body burns calories. A higher metabolic rate can increase energy expenditure and aid weight loss. 4. Reduces appetite Moringa contains compounds that can help regulate blood sugar levels, such as isothiocyanates. By stabilizing blood sugar levels, Moringa can help control cravings and reduce overeating. 5. Supports digestion Moringa possesses natural digestive properties that can assist in the breakdown of food and absorption of nutrients. An efficient digestive system can prevent bloating and constipation, promoting weight loss. 6. Anti-inflammatory properties chronic inflammation can hinder weight loss efforts. Moringa contains anti-inflammatory compounds that can reduce inflammation in the body, potentially supporting weight loss. Remember, while Moringa can be a helpful addition to a weight loss plan, it should be combined with a balanced diet and regular exercise for best results. Additionally, it is essential to consult with a healthcare professional or registered dietitian before making any significant changes to your diet or starting any weight loss regimen.